Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Telegram external player. To know how to fix or how to solve Telegram external player, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Telegram and you will enter. Then in this page here, you will click for stop. And then you will enter to storage. After that, in this page you will click clear cache, and then you will enter to manage storage. And when you will end this, you can update your application so that you can know how to fix or how to solve Telegram external player. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.